Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to add a verified badge on Telegram using Telegram Premium. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Keep in mind that verified badges and special status icons are only available for Telegram Premium users, so this option will only appear if you have an active Premium subscription. If Premium is enabled on your account, tap on the three-line menu at the top and go to Settings. Then scroll down to confirm that Telegram Premium is active. After that, go back to the main screen, tap the three-line menu again, and look for the option to change your status or select a badge. Tap on Change Status, then use the search bar and type keywords like check or verified. You'll see different blue check verified badge options appear. Simply select the badge you like, and it will be applied to your profile, showing up in chats and groups you participate in. And that's how you can add a verified badge on Telegram Premium. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.